What if a barn and a dream home had a baby? Sounds weird, right? But trust me, barndominiums are changing the game and I'm a little obsessed. Today we're diving into some jaw-dropping barndominium design inspirations and house plans that will make you want to pack your bags and move to the countryside like yesterday. Whether you're all about that modern farmhouse vibe or something more minimal and cozy, we have got some ideas that will definitely spark your imagination. Let's get into it. Barndominium House Plan 1. At the beginning, I've got something that'll make your jaw drop. A stunning one-story barndominium that's the perfect mix of modern vibes and rustic soul. Let's talk about curb appeal first. This beauty is wrapped in sleek black board and batten siding, topped with a bold metal roof that just screams modern luxury. And check this out, huge windows all around so you get tons of natural light and amazing views from every corner. Step inside and you're welcomed by a wide open space where the kitchen, dining area, and great room all come together under a sky-high cathedral ceiling. There are exposed trusses up there too, adding that perfect architectural pop. Need a work nook? There's a cozy pocket office right off the great room, tucked away just enough to focus, but still part of the open flow. Now let's talk about the kitchen. It's designed to look good and work even better, with a walk-in pantry that gives you loads of storage. The main suite? Total retreat mode. It's got a spacious bedroom and a spa-style bathroom with double vanities, and right next to it, a little wet bar. Yes, you heard me right, morning coffee or evening cocktail, just steps away, with easy access to the outdoors. You'll also find 2 more bedrooms with a Jack and Jill bathroom in between, great for kids, guests, or even turning one into a hobby room. And the outdoor spaces? Unreal. Covered patios in the front and back, plus a chill pergola-covered patio on the side. It's basically an entertainer's dream. Oh, and for the practical folks, a 2-car garage right up front adds convenience and curb appeal. Quick specs for my detail lovers out there. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1-story, 2-car garage, 2,510 square feet of living space, 613 square feet of porch space, and a total garage area of 1,118 square feet. This barndominium isn't just a home, it's a vibe. Modern, cozy, functional, and absolutely gorgeous. Barndominium House Plan 2. Now we're checking out a super cool barndominium-style garage plan, and trust me, this one's got a lot more than just space for your cars. Think beyond the garage. This plan comes with a flexible suite that's perfect if you've got in-laws visiting, older kids needing their own spot, or even if your area allows tenants. It's all about modern, flexible living. Let's talk about vibes. This place nails the balance between function and style. You've got an open layout, a spacious 3-car garage, and sweet outdoor living with both a porch and patio, perfect for morning coffee or a weekend BBQ. The pictures? They show off just how amazing this setup can look. Just remember, some might show custom changes, so always check the floor plan. Here's the breakdown. 1 cozy bedroom, 1 bathroom, all on 1 floor. Garage space for 3 vehicles. Total area, 784 square feet of living space, plus 13 square feet garage, plus 376 square feet patio space. Bottom line? Whether it's guests, grown-up kids, or a rental opportunity, this plan's got room to grow. Barndominium House Plan 3. Let's talk about a ranch-style barndominium that's big on charm and smart design. First off, surprise bonus. You can get a garage at no extra cost. Just tick the box when picking your plan. Easy. Now picture this. A 20-30 square foot beauty that blends country vibes with modern comfort. It's got 3 cozy bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and all on 1 single easy-to-navigate floor. Open floor plan? Check. Rustic yet sleek? Double check. This Barndo brings in that raw industrial edge. Hello, optional garage? While still keeping things warm and homey. Perfect if you're dreaming of a space that's a little bit farmhouse, a little bit modern, and totally you. Quick stats. Bedrooms, 3. Bathrooms 2 stories. 1 garage optional and free. Total area 20-30 square feet. Porch space 780 square feet, yet plenty of chill time ahead. Footprint 50-inch wide, 50-inch deep, 11-inch tall. So if you're into open spaces, rustic feels, and serious style, this might just be your dream home. Let's build something amazing. Barndominium House Plan 4. Imagine this, a 3-bedroom, 2-bath beauty that gives off classic dairy barn vibes, but with a sleek modern twist. We're talking rustic style meets clean lines, all wrapped up in one smart floor plan. Let's talk layout. At the heart of the home is a tall, airy great room, perfect for hanging out with family or hosting guests. It's where all the cozy conversations and movie nights will happen. And check this out, board and batten siding brings that farmhouse flavor, while the recess-covered front entry, it's not just cute, it's practical too. Rain or shine, you're covered. Bonus alert, there's a loft space up top, great for storage or even a fun hideaway. Just a heads up though, this version comes with a ladder to access it. Want a staircase instead? No worries, check out Plan 88813 for that option. Quick specs. Bedrooms 3. Bathrooms 2.5. Stories. 1 garage. Nope, but plenty of charm instead. Total space 2,168 square feet. Bonus loft space 552 square feet. Footprint 59-inch wide into 49-inch deep with a 29-inch height. So if you love modern vibes with country soul, this plan might just steal your heart. Barndominium House Plan 5. Now, if you're into modern farmhouse vibes with a twist of rustic charm, this one's for you. We're talking about a 3-bedroom, 2-bath beauty that totally gives off dairy barn nostalgia but with a sleek, updated look. Think old school soul with new school style. At the heart of this home, a high-ceiling great room perfect for family hangouts, cozy nights, and entertaining guests. It's big, it's bright, and it's the real showstopper. Board and batten siding? Check. Recessed, sheltered entry? Double check. These little touches don't just look good, they add serious curb appeal and function too. And wait for it, there's a loft. A cool bonus space for storage, a reading nook, or whatever your imagination dreams up. Heads up though, this plan comes with ladder access only. If you're more of a stairs kind of person, check out Plan 888-13 for that version. Quick specs. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1 story, no garage, total area 2,168 square feet. Bonus space, 552 square feet. Dimensions, 59-inch wide, 49-inch deep, 29-inch tall. So if you're dreaming of a modern farmhouse with barn-style roots and some clever design perks, this plan just might be the one. Barndominium House Plan 6. Here comes a charming farmhouse floor plan in just 1,677 square feet. Simple country life with modern comfort. Quick look. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1 story, no stairs, 2-car garage for your rides and tools. Size-wise, 68-inch deep, 48-inch wide, 22-inch high. 600 square feet porch, yes, porch goals. 510 square feet garage, DIY ready. Overall, smart layout, cozy vibe, and all the farmhouse feels. Stick around for more. Barndominium House Plan 7. Dreaming of wide open spaces with modern flair? Check this out. A gorgeous 2-story barndominium that blends simple style with smart design. It features 4 spacious bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a cozy loft overlooking the living area, and an open-concept kitchen, dining, and great room, perfect for entertaining or relaxing. A charming wraparound porch links all 3 spaces for ultimate indoor-outdoor living. Storage? Sorted. Every bedroom has a walk-in closet, and the main suite boasts 2 plus a spa-like walk-in shower. Quick stats. 4 beds, 3 baths, 2 full stories, 4-car garage, 1,200 square feet. Total 2,782. Main floor, 1,760 square feet. Upper floor, 1,322 square feet. Porch, 940 square feet. Dimensions, 84-inch x 50-inch. Stylish, spacious, and smart, this Barndo might just be your dream home. Like what you see? Let me know. Barndominium, House Plan 8. Picture this, 4 roomy bedrooms, 3 full baths, and walk-in closets galore. No more space battles. The open concept layout connects the great room, dining, and kitchen under vaulted ceilings and big sunny windows. The kitchen, total dream. Huge island and a walk-in pantry the size of a small room. Outside, a wraparound porch is perfect for coffee and sunsets. Need storage? The oversized 3-bay garage has you covered, plus bonus space above. Quick stats: 1 story, 4 beds, 3 baths. 2,500 square feet living space. 1,260 square feet garage. 1,262 square feet porch. 56-inch wide x, 108-inch deep x, 29-inch high. Love natural light, open space, and rustic charm? This Barndo's calling your name. Barndominium House Plan 9. And here, we're looking at 2,743 square feet of pure rustic charm. And trust me, this one's a dream come true for big families or anyone craving space to stretch out. Here's the quick scoop. 5 cozy bedrooms, perfect for kids, guests, or even that home office you've been thinking about. 3 full bathrooms, no more fighting over the shower. 2 stories of spacious living. And get this, a 3-car garage. Yep, room for your truck, tools, and maybe even that boat. It's wide, 87 feet wide to be exact, with a depth of 46 feet and a height just under 28 feet. This place stands tall and proud. Let's break down the space. Main floor, 1,725 square feet, where all the daily magic happens. Upper floor, 1,018 square feet, extra space for whatever your heart desires. Bonus area, 776 square feet, hobby room, game room, secret lair, you name it. Garage, a whopping 1,047 square feet, built for big toys and big plans. And the porch, the 940 square feet chill zone, brings on the rocking chairs and sweet tea. Big space, big dreams, barn-style beauty. This Barndo has it all wrapped up in one stylish package. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed hanging out and checking out these designs with me, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Got a favorite design from today's video, or maybe you're building your own? Drop a comment below. We would love to hear what you're working on.